The school is in the middle of Finland, near Tampere, and it's a two-year institution, which means that they come from a junior high school and go to university after a two-year period. That makes it a lot faster than the usual way. Our students come from all over Finland, and they are chosen, but any very high level of achievement isn't required. So anyone who is interested in doing mathematics or computer science or both on a very intensive level is welcome to apply, and we only use the entrance exams we only have a limited amount of places, so that's the important part of that reason for that. We have music colleges, we have a specialization in sports. Mathematics and computer science are likewise something you should learn young. You shouldn't be forced to wait till you are 20 before being able to advance in a faster level if you are interested and motivated. So that's what makes it special. They also have a chance to learn mathematics and computer science on university level, and they have a chance to get working experience in the field. So I'm passionate about teaching the motivated, so that everyone should have a chance to advance at the pace they want to advance on, not to be forced to do exactly the same things that others are doing. If they have both the ability and the motivation, that's enough for me.
So are you a teacher?
I'm a teacher, I'm a trainer, I'm a coach, a mentor, surrogate mother, whatever.